Whee! It is hot outside. So, water time. I'm not used to it being in the 90s. Been so used to the 70s for such a long time. Okay, so welcome to Good Old RV. I'm Greg, and I'm the one doing everything here. And so anyways, today we're talking about the patio awning LED lights. Forgot to put the word awning. Oh well, I said it. In my case, it's a 16-foot, I don't know if you can see that, it's a 16-foot LED light strip. It comes with all that good stuff. I don't know if it's in, if you can see it all or not. A lot of reflection. Okay, and so I'm replacing that. This will be the second replacement time. First time was factory. So anyways, I will bring you out to the job and show you what's going on. Over there? Over there. I don't know. It's all backwards and haywire when I'm looking in the camera. Okay, things I use. Is double-sided tape, outdoor double-sided tape. It's really all I use. That and a lot of elbow work cleaning up all the area. And so with the new one, I'm just going to use the double-sided tape that was there, because these are self-adhesive, and so I'll just try a spot and see if it works, and if it works, great. I'm just going to continue with that. If it doesn't, then okay, I'll have to take off the old double-sided tape and put on new double-sided tape, but that's what I got for now. Okay, what I'm showing you right here behind me is I'm showing you pictures of that real wavy strip. That was the original that I had to take the lights off of. I only took the lights off because they would have been in the way of the new lights that I'm putting on, and the strip was just borderline, so I just left it alone. And plus I didn't want to cut on it because it's actually part of the awning, and so I left that alone. And that tape underneath, that is this double-sided tape right here, and then those are the old lights I'm peeling off. Okay, so time to go put some new ones on. See right here, you can see on the back of these lights where it has a self-adhesive strip that you could just peel off, that you just peel off, and that's supposed to go right on there. Comes with a remote with battery. That's a baby battery. I'll have to look into that. Comes with the controller right here. It's a lot smaller than the other one I had, so I'm going to have to look into that. So I'm guessing that it goes into this side. Okay, so I hope that this worked out for you. I hope you're able to see everything you needed and what to use and stuff. So I ended up using just a little strip of the Gorilla mounting tape, heavy duty, indoor outdoor, weatherproof. Okay, so I have I have most of that extra. As far as the kit goes, if I can get it open. Okay, I did not need the AC power supply. The AC power supply. because I hooked it up to direct DC like the old one. I just used the same wiring the old one had. I did not need this additional wiring kit. And so those are two things I did not need out of this kit. And so it all depends on how yours is already hooked up at your place. And so, yeah, that's it. I hope that it was helpful for you. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Yeah, that's all I got. So, hope to see you on the next one. Talk to you later.